What's going on, guys? Thank you so much for tuning in. In today's video, we're going to be upgrading a shift knob for the 2018 Honda Civic Type R. I was able to purchase a OEM leather shift knob, which I'm super excited to show you guys and install. So let's get started. So to remove any shift knob on the Type R, or I guess any Civic, all you have to do is just pull down on this ring and try to take this off. So right now I'm going to try to do that. Alright, we got the shift boot off. Next thing we have to do is hold the shift knob and use a 14mm wrench on this nut right here. Hold the shift knob and then try to untighten this nut. Make sure it's not spinning one way because obviously it won't come off. So let's try to do that right now. It might be a little hard because it'll be tight on here, but we'll give it a shot. That's it, guys. That was a pretty easy install. This thing feels awesome. I love how it matches everything else in the interior. Beautiful. I'm really happy with it. For the price, it is a little bit on the pricey side, but man, I'm really happy with the shift knob. I'm super excited. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. That's gonna do it for this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay up to date with this build and many other builds to come. We have some exciting stuff planned for this car, stuff that I've ordered already and just waiting on. So stay tuned, a lot of goodies coming in, and we're just gonna keep having fun with this car. Thanks for watching.